Isak.
I think he's a great striker, what he can give you off and on the ball.
Ekitike.
Again, I'm convinced that Hugo Ekitike is very, very, very good at football.
Mohamed Salah.
Salah, we've talked about him so many times. He's breathtaking.
Florian Wirtz.
Florian Wirtz over the last 3 seasons has the most assists of any player who's played in the Bundesliga.
He's a lot more to Liverpool than maybe some people give credit for.
Alexander.
Obviously played with world-class players at Argentina, and he's now become one of the most important players at Liverpool. And
Hugo Gakpo.
Cody Gakpo is my underappreciated performer. He's got a knack of scoring important goal.
weerarka Liverpool run ahaantii aad buu isku bedelay iyagoo marka hore seasonkii hore ku tiirsanaa Salah dhinaca gool dhalinta.
So you cannot have 3 Mo Salahs for one position.
Imkana noqday koox goolashu ka iman karto ciyaaryahan kala duwan.
Oh, that will certainly do for starting.